excited to be here for our Graduate Study Open House today. It's our first on-campus open house since the pandemic, and we're excited to see more than 50 students and families who are joining us today for this session. We also have been having, as many of you know, virtual open houses. If you're not here today, you're certainly welcome to connect with us and join us for one of those online, but we also welcome you to contact us and visit in person. There really is nothing like being here and seeing the place and connecting with the faculty and the students who are here. So welcome to the open house, and we look forward to talking with you more about RIT.
So my name is Chelsea. I'm really interested in RIT because I've just been looking at it for about a year and I love all of the resources that it offers, and everyone here just seems so passionate about what they want, and they really like.
Guide you in the questions that you have. So say, for example, one of our meetings is we actually hosted Julian because students had a lot of question about navigating their way in Career Connect and finding the jobs and everything.
And the cool thing about it is that I had the opportunity to do things like, for example, taking a supply chain class in the business school, with a totally different focus than when I took a supply chain management class in the engineering school. So I got to see kind of like the two sides of that coin.
And I will be going on co-op in a product management role with an organization in Skinny Atlas. So I'm very pleased that that has worked out. And I don't know if any of you have had this experience, but just the headache of scrolling through jobs, applying for jobs.